That guy is making people pay because he's put something there. So people have to pay to him, like a 2 kwacha for you to cross using his man-made bridge over there. Hey guys, I want to show you a little glimpse of what happened in Lusaka when it rains. So I'm right here in this street, right in the middle of the town. I don't know if this should be Freedom Way or Chachacha Road. And I'm just going to walk you around and show you guys how it is after a heavy downpour right here. So yeah, if you're new on my channel, kindly consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I do post a new video, you guys shouldn't miss like any single of my uploads. My name is Samson-The, man. Let's go. Okay, you can see from this part, guys, how it is. As we are walking, you can see people struggling to leave their shops. It's almost evening. Should I say that? Yeah. So it's time, like it's that time when shops are closing. But you can see from there that people are still finding it difficult like to leave their shops. Even shoppers to get to the shops is so difficult. But yeah, this is how it is when it rains here. So like I was saying, successful governments have failed to deal with this situation over here. So you can see that guy that is standing there is making people pay for them to cross. So that's why they are there. They have put their own stones so that people can step on and get to dry land. Yeah, but that's how things are here. So let me show you around, walk you guys around, and you see this. What is happening here is a lot of things that are going on. Yeah, so you can see that man is trying to appear in my videos. Okay guys, so this is how it is right here. Okay. Really look at the water. It's water everywhere anyway. So that is how it is. That is how it is, but let me show you this other part, okay? So guys, this is what happened when it rains here in Lusaka. You see, it has been raining like heavy rain. Oh, let's hope I don't fall, guys. But now, very bad here, and this is something that we've been talking about. People fail to create like drainages and stuff like that. So what you can see over there, that guy is making people pay because he's put something there. So people have to pay to him, like a 2 kwacha for you to cross using his man-made bridge over there. You see? So it's terrible. It has been raining like heavily here in Lusaka, guys. So yes guys, so let me show you around how it is. This is in the Lusaka's CBD. Okay. Lusaka after a heavy downpour of rains today. Today is the so you can see how busy the city is. People are knocking off from work and now they want to go home, but then it's raining. It's raining. Some heavy rains that we've experienced. Lusaka city. So now when they talk of drainages, the city needs drainages, but according to the word that has been going around is that geologically, I don't know if that's the correct word, but here under the whole lot of this Lusaka city, not Lusaka city, Lusaka town has beneath it there's like a big stone, so that makes it difficult for people to dig like proper drainages. And but this is what we end up with here, as you can see. So look at this big so because it has been raining, you can see all these cars in water. Cars in water. Now we are fighting for a little space that is dry, that's for us to pass. There it is. You can see from here. Oh, Samson. Look at all these cars. Look at that. It's crazy. Look at those shops. So this is something that the government has really failed. A lot of governments that have come and gone, they have really failed to work on, you know. Yes, guys. And the building over here. The building over here is the UNIP headquarters. That's the building that belongs to the first party to form government in Zambia, called UNIP, United Independence Party. So it's crazy here. Take a look. Take a look at all this. People are still walking in this water. It puzzles me. Take a look. So there's water everywhere. Hey. Yalo kabaningi kuno kanse. Hey, manza. So there's Pep, and you can see the way it is from here. This is crazy. Let me show you from the other side. And wherever it has been raining, like you find that the traffic is super crazy right here. You know, so take a look. Super crazy. Oh my goodness. Lusaka after the heavy downpour. So let me just show you guys from this other side. Oh. Water everywhere. No proper drainages. No drainages of water. Well, previous governments have tried, but nothing has been so fruitful. No, we still end up like this. As you can see. So those people on the other side, for them to cross to come to the dry land. Oh my goodness, this is pure Pomboka ceremony here. You see, that's how it is in Zambia. Maybe we should bring in the Chinese people to come and fix this problem that we've been having. Okay. So you have to walk the water. Look at that lady here. Try to get to our car. Look at that. Wow, guys, it's super crazy here. Especially this part, but here on this other side it's not much, but you can see as well from this side. Okay, there's still loads of water on the other side, even these shops here. So this road, I mean, is called Chachacha Road, I think, if not Freedom Way. Should be Chachacha, yes. So you can see this side, and the rains are still coming. So, but yeah, I thought I need to share with you guys this video today. It's super crazy here, and you can see when it rains, people, it's more like there's just total confusion going on in the city of Lusaka, guys. So this is the busy city of Lusaka. Okay, you can see people running. We don't even know what they are running away from. Okay. Alright guys, so yeah, this is how it is here. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. Yes guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.